Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 10 legit ways to make money online. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or create a full-time online business, these methods are tried and true. We'll break down each method step by step so you can get started right away. Making money online has never been more accessible. Stick around for tips to maximize your earnings and avoid pitfalls. All right, let's jump right in. Freelancing is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and earn money from anywhere in the world. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients seeking services in writing, graphic design, and programming. Set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Deliver high-quality work on time and ask clients for reviews to build a strong reputation. Starting a blog can be a lucrative way to share your knowledge and earn through ads and sponsored content. Choose a niche you're passionate about and provide value to your readers. Monetize through ad networks, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. With dedication, blogging can become a sustainable and rewarding way to make money online. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income online. Promote products and services, earning a commission for every sale through your referral link. Choose products that align with your niche and be transparent about using affiliate links. Build trust with your audience, and your affiliate income will grow. Creating and selling online courses is a great way to share your expertise and earn passive income. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and market your courses. Provide value and actionable insights to your students, and promote your course through your blog, social media, and email list. As more people enroll, you'll see a steady stream of passive income. Starting a YouTube channel can be a rewarding way to share your passions and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Choose a niche you're passionate about and create high-quality, engaging videos. Once you reach the required number of subscribers and watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program to start earning ad revenue. With dedication and consistency, YouTube can become a significant income source. If you have a knack for photography, selling your photos on stock photography websites can be a great way to earn passive income. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock let you upload photos and earn royalties. Upload high-quality images that are in demand and follow trends. As your portfolio grows, so will your potential for earnings. Print on demand is an excellent way to sell custom products without holding inventory. Platforms like Printful and Teespring handle production and shipping, letting you focus on design and marketing. Promote your products through your website, social media, and email list. This model allows you to start an online store with minimal upfront investment. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce model where you sell products without holding inventory. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up a store and manage orders, find reliable suppliers, then promote your products through social media, SEO, and ads. With dedication and effective marketing, dropshipping can be profitable. Investing in stocks is a time-tested way to build wealth and earn passive income through dividends and capital gains. Platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade make it easy for beginners to start investing. Do your research, diversify your portfolio, and focus on companies with strong financials and growth potential. Over time, your investments can grow and provide a steady stream of income. Real estate crowdfunding lets you invest in projects without property management hassle. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul pool funds from multiple investors. Sign up, choose investments that align with your goals, and receive profits. Real estate crowdfunding diversifies your portfolio and earns passive income. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Let us know in the comments which method you're excited to try. The journey to financial independence starts with taking the first step. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll dive deeper into these methods. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.